Imagine waking up with complete control over your thoughts. No distractions, no urges pulling you off track. Sounds impossible? It's not, because lust isn't some unstoppable force. It's a pattern. And once you understand that pattern, you can break it. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 5 powerful steps to break that cycle and take back control of your mind for good. Number 1, eliminate the triggers. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower ever will. If temptation is always within reach, resisting it becomes a daily battle, and eventually you burn out. So change the battlefield. Remove anything that feeds the habit, apps, content, or even certain routines. Because when the triggers disappear, the urge loses its fuel. You don't need stronger discipline. You need fewer distractions. And before we move on, if you're serious about building real discipline and taking control of your mind, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you level up and stay in control. Number 2, train your body. An inactive body creates a restless mind. When you don't use your energy, it doesn't just disappear. It turns into urges, cravings, and impulses. So redirect it, train hard, push your limits, challenge yourself physically, because when your body's engaged, your mind becomes calmer. Instead of suppressing your energy, you transform it into strength. Number 3, take back your focus. Lust hijacks your attention. It catches you off guard and pulls you deeper. But focus is a skill you can train. The moment an urge appears, interrupt it. Stand up. Walk away. Change your environment immediately. Every time you do this, you weaken the habit and strengthen your control. And over time, something powerful happens. You realize you're not a slave to your thought. You're the one in charge. Number 4, protect your sleep. Weak discipline often starts the night before. Late nights drain your energy, and a tired mind makes poor decisions. So protect your sleep like it's part of your strategy. Because it is. When you're well rested, your willpower is stronger, your focus is sharper, and your resistance is higher. Number 5, replace the habit. You can't eliminate a habit by leaving a void. If you remove something without replacing it, your mind will fill that space with something worse. So build something better. Read, create, work toward a goal that excites you. Because when your time has purpose, destructive habits lose their grip. Follow these steps consistently, and you won't just fight lust, you'll outgrow it.